Hello and welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for a very crispy and spicy onion pakoras. They are nothing but Indian style spicy onion fritters. So let's see what are the ingredients we need for that. I have here one medium sized onions which are sliced. It comes to about 2 cups. A cup of chickpea flour, also known as gram flour or besan, and some spices such as half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a teaspoon each of coriander powder and garam masala powder. I also like to add some other ingredients such as chopped green chilies, a teaspoon each of grated ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, a tablespoon of curry leaves, and a tablespoon of rice flour for that extra crispiness. You'll need some water to prepare the batter, salt to taste, and oil for deep frying. You can alter the spices according to your taste. You may not add all the ingredients. You can just make it with salt and red chili powder. Let's now prepare the batter. I'll add all the spices and the remaining ingredients right into the onions. I'll also add some salt to taste. I'll mix all the ingredients really well. After the spices are mixed really well with the onions, I'll also add the chickpea flour. So before adding water, I'll just mix all the ingredients with the chickpea flour really well. So this helps in releasing the water from the onions, and then we'll add water little by little. We do not need a very soggy batter. So the more water you add, the less crispier the pakoras will be. To avoid that, we have to do this step first before adding water. So you can see that it's already becoming wet from the water released from the onions. After you have mixed the flour with the onions very well, you can see that it's already wet. I'll add little water at a time until all the ingredients are very well combined and they come together. I ended up adding only about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, just so that the chickpea flour binds well with the onions and spices. One more tip to get very crispy onion pakoras is that you have to add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of hot oil into it. I had already heated the oil for deep frying. From that same oil, I'll take about 2 tablespoons of that and put it into the onion mixture and mix it very well. After the oil heats up, I'll keep the heat at medium and start adding the onion mixture a little at a time, just like so. I flip the onion pakoras a few times around until they are uniformly golden brown from all sides and they have crisped up beautifully. So now it's time to take them off the stove. Take it onto a tissue towel to soak up the excess oil. Same way I'll fry the remaining pakoras as well. So this is how the onion pakoras finally look. They are very crispy, spicy and extremely flavorful. I hope you can hear the crunch. Onion pakoras made in this way retain their crispiness even when they cool down. They are the best thing to have on rainy days or cold winter evenings with a hot cup of sweet chai. If you like this recipe for onion pakoras, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.